what is the minimum score that an individual needs to achieve in their third test to ensure they maintain an average of at least 65 marks when the scores in the first two tests were 65 and 70. Let us begin. So we'll consider that the individual has scored X in the third test. So that means the average, this implies that the average of the three tests is going to be equals to, we take the sum of the first, second and the third test and divide it by 3, which is going to be equals to 135 plus X over 3. That's the average of the three tests. Now it's given here that what must this individual score in the third test, that means what must be the minimum value of X such that the average becomes at least 65. Now that means for the average to become at least 65, that means here we have the average 135 plus X over 3. This must be greater than or equals to 65. So that means we now have 135 plus X greater than or equals to 195. So solving for X, we get X is going to be greater than 60. Greater than or equals to 60, and since it asks for the minimum value, so the minimum value that the individual needs to score in the third test is going to be 60. Hence, the individual needs to score a minimum of 60 in the third test in order to ensure they maintain an average of at least 65 marks.